malls and people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. So, as you obviously know by the title, I've finally hit 1,000 subscribers. And I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that has supported me over the years on YouTube and all the other platforms, and really following the journey with my cars and supporting me along the way. And it's really just amazing to think that many people have followed me and kind of been, I guess, a little bit inspired along the way. I get a lot of people that message me on Instagram and that sort of thing saying that they've bought an EP2 because of me, or they've watched my videos on stuff on how to do things to the car, and or mods that they've installed, and they say that it's because, you know, they've seen my videos or on Facebook, and that's why they've done it. So it's just really amazing to kind of think that is because of the content that I've made. And over the past recently, well, I'd say the last year is a little bit less than before that. So I'd probably say I've posted a handful of times the last year, so I've slowed down a little bit. But I guess this video, I kind of wanted to say, it's made me realise that I do want to get into this properly, and, you know, I do kind of want to get a schedule. I have been meaning to get one, and I've been saying I would get one, but I really think after hitting 1,000, it's made me realise, you know, that many people is just unbelievable to me. I never thought I'd be making this video. I never thought I'd get to 1,000 ever on YouTube, and it's kind of yeah, it's really crazy to think that. It's just a really weird feeling. So I just wanted to let you know that there will be a lot more content coming. I'm hopefully going to be posting at least every 2 weeks. I would say a week, but the content I want to make is kind of like tutorial videos and stuff on the car. So it's going to be probably every 2 weeks, I'd say, and then some shorts in between, that sort of thing. Because I do want to be putting out the best videos possible. You know, I don't want to be just filling my page with a load of rubbish. So there will be car show stuff on there. There'll be content like that, and there will be, you know, a lot of stuff with the Civic, kind of fitting mods, that sort of thing. So that's the idea with it, really. I'd like to get into that sort of routine. But once again, thank you all so much for everything and for supporting me along the way, and really being inspired by the content that I make, and hopefully it's very useful to a lot of people. I do not know a massive deal about cars, you know, I know a little bit, enough, I would have thought, but it's kind of like a journey along the way of fitting stuff and understanding. So that is kind of why I wanted to make this YouTube channel as well, to help people, because, you know, I was in that situation where I wouldn't have even known how to change a door card, maybe, that sort of thing, or fit an exhaust, or, you know, the spoiler. That is probably one of my most popular videos, fitting the spoiler on the EP2, or the back box. So hopefully it helps the content that I make, and it can help you get into cars if you're looking to get into cars as well, and especially Hondas, because obviously I've had a few Hondas, and I do think I'll be keeping this for quite a while. So there's loads more stuff I want to do on it, and there's loads of content that I can do on it still. There's loads of stuff still left to do. So it's not like I'm going to run out of content anytime soon, but I do really love these cars, and I love this one especially. They're just amazing. So hopefully by having this car, it can inspire people to want to, you know, to mod them up and get into the car scene and really go after modifying them, I suppose. You know, I don't think I would have had anything like this a few years ago. It's only because my mate was looking at them and kind of suggested, you know, that they would be probably quite a good car to have, so I kind of looked into them, and here we are. So if it wasn't for that, then I probably would have had a Corsa or a Fiesta or something along those lines. So yeah, it's crazy to think that it would have never happened in a way, and I wouldn't be here. So thank you all so much. It's just really crazy to think everything. You know, all the support that I've had. there's so many good comments that I get. I very, very rarely get nasty comments on any socials, and it's really great to hear that, and I'm very, very, very thankful. I'm very thankful for all of them. So once again, thank you. And if you did enjoy the video, or you would like to check out my other content, please do. Please drop a subscription. We're now on the road to 10k hopefully. I will be doing a giveaway for 1,000, so that will be going out on my Instagram. The link will be in the description for my Instagram. So if you go over there, follow me. I will be posting very shortly on my story how to enter that and what it will be. So I'm just trying to figure out what it will be that I was giving away still. So yeah, follow me on there and you'll be able to find that out. And yeah, you should have a very, very good chance at winning that. So it will be something car related, obviously. So yeah, please do drop me a follow on Instagram. It's brownie.media, link is below. So yeah, thank you all so much for all the support, and I'll see you in the next video.